Okay, good evening to you all. My name is Mohammed Isiaka Babau. As you all know, we are on day 10 of this program, Capacity Building Training for 1,000 Nigerian Civil Servants on ICT. And as you know, this program is powered by Hammad Technologies and Consultancy Limited. So, as usual, we are going to start by showing our outlines, which are recap on day 9. We are going to have a recap on day 9, what we discussed so far. Then we are going to also talk about how to insert a table in Microsoft Word and inserting pictures in Microsoft Word, inserting shapes in Microsoft Word. Then we have practical, also have question and answers, and then we have conclusion and quality day. So we discussed about file menu bar yesterday. I believe each and every one of you that attended yesterday class understood what we discussed so far. So if you have anything concerning this file menu bar, home menu bar also, so please you can go back to our WhatsApp group chats. There is a video link of our previous class, so you can rewatch it and put yourself through. So let's move on to how to insert table in Microsoft Word used to organize data in rows and columns. So we are going to talk about how to insert a table in Microsoft Word. Let's say, assuming you want to create a timetable using Microsoft Word. Assuming you want to create a timetable using Microsoft Word, you are going to insert a table so that you create your rows of serial number, let's say subject, time, date, everything. So we get to that on practical aspects. Then we move to how to insert picture in Microsoft Word. So you can insert picture in Microsoft Word, and let's say whenever you are customizing a letterhead paper, whenever you want to put logo of, like say, the company of that letterhead and the letterhead paper you want to create, you have to insert a picture that is the logo of the company. So you can insert picture in that, and let's say you are writing maybe projects and you want to insert a picture of sample of something. So you can just insert picture and then come down and write whatever you want to write about that picture. So when we get to practical, we explain more of that. I believe you understand more when we get to that practical aspect. Then we move to how to insert shapes in Microsoft Word. So we are going to show you how to insert shapes, draw arrows, boxes, and other shapes. So those boxes, it's used whenever you want to create something, like whenever you want to create maybe something graphical, like letterhead, you insert text box or other shapes whenever you want to put your logo. So you can just think of anything you want to use those shapes to do. So that's all about the shapes. So when we get to the practical aspect, we'll talk about more of that. Please, if you can hear me, you can unmute yourself. Let me know that if I'm not only speaking to myself before we move to practical. Please unmute yourself. Hello, please, if you can hear me, unmute yourself. before we move to practical. Please unmute yourself.
Okay, you can hear you. You can hear you.
We can hear you, sir.
Okay. So I hope you are done with your test.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All the best.
Okay, thank you.
Then let's move to practical aspects of these classes. I said we are going to discuss how to insert picture, how to insert table, and also how to insert shapes in Microsoft Word. Then we move to our Microsoft Word. As I said, you can click on your Windows sign in your keyboard so that to show you place where you search whatever you want to enter. Then I will search Word. Oh, I have seen it already. Okay. I will enter my Microsoft Word. Enter this blank document. I believe we all discussed about this file yesterday. Everything new, open, save as, print, share, export. We discuss about all of that. And this home, we discuss about paste, how to cut, how to copy, clipboard, font style, font size, bold, italic, underline, all of this, centralization, line spacing. We discuss about much of this. I believe you all understood yesterday class. So we are moving to insert. As you can see, it is the third heading in your Microsoft Word after file, home, then insert. So we are moving. Each and every heading have its own properties under. So we are moving to insert. Don't bother to complain about all this other stuff. We are showing you the necessary things you need to know, things that you can use it in reality in your normal work. That's what we are showing you. All these ones doesn't matter. So we are going to start by inserting table. I said whenever, let's say we want to create a list of, let's say we want to create list of teachers and their phone number with their state, then we can just create that table. As you can see, whenever you enter insert, you will see table, then you click on the table. These are the columns, these are the rows. These are the columns like this, these are the rows. So if you want to insert the table, then you click your left click on your touchpad, your left click. You I just hold my left click now, then I will now move. Sorry. I just hold my insert, then hold left click, then drag. Sorry. Mhm. So when you click on table, then you hold your left click like this, then you drag. This one we are selecting columns, how many headings we want to have. So we need to create like serial number, full name, state, and phone number. That is four headings. Then let's see how many teachers. Let's say we have like 4 teachers. Then we now select one, row two, row three, row four. Then you now leave your left click. It will automatically select this. So after selecting this, let's say we want to write serial number here. Let me just- Let's say we want to write serial number for the first heading. Then we move to next, let's say full name. We move to next, let's say phone number, then state of origin. So state. You click you click on enter. So let's say this serial number, the column is too wide. So if you want to reduce it, you take your cursor, as you can see, take your cursor at the middle of this line till it changes to this arrow. As you can see, this arrow, you see it's showing me this arrow. Then if I take my cursor middle of this line, to change to this arrow. Then you click on left click, hold left click, then move it backward or forward. So I want to reduce it, I'll move it backward. You see, I have reduced my distance, my weight. Then for full name, I think I can just leave full name this way. Then phone number also, state of origin also. Let me just add this full name. Then hold your left click, drag it forward. Fine. Then let me just highlight, sorry, let me highlight my table, then change the font style to Times New Roman. Then size 12. Okay, size 12 is okay. Size 12 is okay. Then let me centralize all my writings. I want everything to be at the middle. Then I will now select this place. Sorry. Then click on this centralize. You see everything comes to middle now. Then we'll now start by writing our serial number. Let's see, 1. Then we'll come down to 3, 4. Then we write our full name here, our phone number, and state of origin. This is how to create a table. Then how to add the size of the table. Let's say this table is too small for you and you want to adjust the height and the width. Just the height. Then you take your cursor down here at the bottom, at the edge bottom of the table. Whenever your cursor change to this sign like this, then you click on left click, then drag it downward. As you can see, it's expanding. If you want to reduce also the same way, you reduce it. If you want to add, same way. Don't forget to hold your left click, then you drag forward or backward. Fine. So I think we can move forward. If though we'll get to question and answer if there's any question. Then let's say we are done with inserting table. If you want to delete it, and just right click on it, click on delete column. That is if you want to delete this column of first name. If you want to delete this one, you click on this, then you right click and click on delete column. Then I press Ctrl Z. Don't want to delete that. Let's say if you want to delete one column, let's say you mistakenly put number 1 twice, then you will just click on this, right click, then you click on delete cell. Sorry, it will delete. Then, sorry, let me show you another way of inserting table. When you get to this insert, then you click on insert, then you can click on insert table here. Ah, sorry. and click on enter insert, then click on insert table, then click on insert. Then it will show you this option, numbers of columns you want to insert. Then you will now write the number of columns you want to insert. Maybe you will now start clicking on this arrow at the top. Let's say we want 7 columns. Our columns, that's the our this thing, our heading. So let's say we need five columns. Then rows, let's say we need 10 or 12. Then you now click on OK. You see, it has automatically insert everything. That's the second way of inserting table. Then you adjust the width and the height. Fine. So if you want to delete it, you click on this arrow at the top here. You right click on the arrows. You right click on it, then you click on delete table. So let's move to how to insert shapes. If you click on insert, then you will see shapes here. As you can see, you will see shapes. Then you see different kind of shapes. Let's say you are a graphic designer, you have different kind of shapes you want to insert. Depends on whatever you want to do. Then this, let me explain this first box. As you can see, this rectangle that you can see with A inside is called text box. Hello? Okay. This 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 box is called text box. This one, you inside this box when you can insert this box whenever you want to write something. Please unmute yourself. Mute yourself, sorry. You are kind of disturbing us. So this text box is used to write something. Let's say you want to insert table and write something, then you will now click on this text box. Other than these ones, you just insert the shapes, not that you write inside. Just like this one, if I insert this one, then it will change, my arrow will change to this plus sign, then I will click on right click, and left click, sorry, insert it, then hold my left click, move it forward, move it like this. You see? See, I move it this way. So this is our shape. Let's say if I want to change the color, I'll click on this, then you come to this place, shape fill. After click on the shape, I want to fill the shape with different color. Let's say with this color. Then shape outline, which color you want it to be, whether white, the outline of the shape, that is the back, the line covering the shape, which line you want. If I select red, it will show. If I select black, it will show. If I select white, let me select the white. You see? So this is the distinct shape. Then if you want to select shape, let's say you want to write something up here, then you can just enter shapes, click on this text box. Then you just left click, hold your left click, move your cursor up, forward, downward, and upward, anyone like this. Then you insert whatever you want to write. It will give me a chance to write that because I just inserted text box. Let's say I want to insert, let's say Hammad. Consultancy Limited. So let's see, after inserting, then I will now customize my this thing, my writings times New Roman. Times New Roman. Let's say I increase the size of the writing. Then I centralize it. Then say this way. Then the shape, let's say I don't want this white color. I want to change the white color. I can just change the shape. Sorry. I can just change the shape after clicking the shape like this. Then I will now move to shape outline. Sorry. After clicking the shape this way. Sorry, I don't know why this thing is misbehaving. So if I want to change this color, I know why this is misbehaving, but if I want to change it, you just click on this thing, it will shows you shape fill, shape outline, everything that I just shows you earlier. So you now click on that shape fill.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say, for example,
Hmm.
let me click on my left click, reduce the size. Let's say, for example, I want to insert Hammad Technologies logo, this place. Then I can just click on these shapes. Let's say I take this box here. Then I will now click on left click after in the this thing. Then drag the box downward here. Fine. Then after inserting it like this, you see shape link. After inserting the link, the shape, you see shape fill, shape outline, shape effect. So let's say I want to fill the shape. You can just click on this shape fill. Then if you want to fill the shape with color, so you select any different kind of color you want. If you want to shape the fill with picture, you click on picture. It will take you to your gallery. Then you select any picture you want to select. Let's say, uh, let me put this picture as you can see. As you can see, the logo of Hammad Technology is here. So let me just change this shape field of this Hammad Technology. Shape field, this one too. Shape field to this color. So it's just an example. I just finished giving an example. Let's say you make something like this. It's just you can create your own. I'm just showing you so that you know how to get familiar with all these inserting shapes. Or if you want to insert picture, you can just go to insert again, then you click on picture, this device. If you want to insert online pictures, then it will take you, whenever you're connected to the internet, take you to browser, you browse the picture you want. Then this device, like say, let me just select another picture. So can just select this picture here. After you select the picture, then You you click on the picture, then you select on this wrap text, then you click on this in front of text so that it can make the picture to be movable. Now after inserting this picture, if I want to move it downward, I click on left click, bring it down. It won't move, it will be misbehaving. But after inserting the picture, just click on the picture, then go to wrap text, then put it in front of text so that the picture will come in front of the text. Then you can move it wherever you want. So maybe after inserting my picture, please, I'm just giving an example. All these APC people now will start looking me somehow. Why am I using this picture? This will. So let's say, for example, you want to insert picture in whatever you are doing, or maybe it's a project you want to write, maybe or newspaper you want to write something about article and this Zamfara State Governor Dauda Lawandere. You can just maybe after inserting the picture this way, then come down and start writing whatever you want. Let's say if you want to write something here, you can just insert your text box. You click on insert, then you click on text box. If you want to start as the way newspaper used to be, if you want to start writing from here, then you start writing whatever you want to write concerning the article, then you come downwards, insert another text box, keep writing. I think that's all. We don't have much time. We can have question and answer. Please, if there is any question, let me know. Hello? Hello? Please,
Yes, you can hear, sir.
Hi,
yes, please,
hi, we
if there
can
is
hear
any
you.
question, please let me know so that we can call it a day. We don't have much time.
Hello, I have a question, sir.
Okay.
Please, when inserting serial numbers, is there
Yes.
any way of using automatic something to just push out the serial numbers like we do in
In
Excel?
Excel. Okay, I don't
Yes.
know for Microsoft where you can just search through. Maybe there is a way you can insert it manually. I just know that you can insert it through Excel manually, but I don't know for Microsoft Word. But I think there's a.
We can hear you, sir.
Okay, if there's
Yes,
any
sir.
question, please ask your question. Our time is running.
Sir, I have a question.
Okay.
Sir, can we remove a background using Microsoft Word?
A background.
Yes, like photo background, fixed background.
No, no, you cannot use it. You can just, there's a website for background removal. You can just use that website to remove the background. You cannot use Microsoft Word.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Any question?
Hello, hello, Salaam
Yeah.
alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Hello,
Yes, wa alaikum salam. We can hear you.
that yesterday lecture,
Yes.
you have not sent it to the WhatsApp group.
Okay, I'm sorry, please. I will send the link. We will send it.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
1 minute more. Any question, please? Then we'll call it a day.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, sir, I have a question, but not a part of the lecture. Can I ask?
No, please. We are just asking question concerning this class. If you have any question, you can
Okay,
follow me in
sir.
private and ask.
Okay, sir. How can I follow you private? I don't have your contact, please.
Okay. Just check the admin in your WhatsApp group chat. You'll see Mohammed Isiaka in your WhatsApp group chat.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
No, I'll